If you're still feeding your kids regular old wedges of watermelon, you're doing it all wrong. Hey guys, it's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to try some really fun watermelon recipes for my kids and see if they lived up to the hype. So today we are making watermelon fries with a yogurt dip. All right, let's get started with my watermelon fries. And as always, I'll leave a link to all these recipes down below in the video description. And really quickly, if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go tap that subscribe button and the little notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos.
Okay, so to get the fun crinkle cut on your fries, I use this little cutter that I got on Amazon. I'll leave the link. Another fun tool I found on Amazon is this watermelon slicer. Listen, you can definitely just use a knife to do this entire thing, but these tools just make it a little more fun. The crinkle cutter tool makes a really fun fry shape. You can definitely just use a knife and cut them into sticks. I made about 3/4 inch thick slices for my little watermelon fries. You can do as much or as little as you want, but just make sure you get a seedless watermelon so no one's eating a bunch of seeds when they're snacking on their watermelon fries. Watermelon's about 90% water, so you can get a ton of hydration. It's naturally sweet, so you're not loading your kids with processed sugars. It has tons of vitamins and minerals in it, and then when you serve it with a protein, it becomes a fully balanced snack. You could totally serve these as is, but on the side I added a little dipping sauce. Online, where this trend has gone viral, people are blending strawberries with yogurt. I didn't want to dirty another dish, so I just went the easy route and mixed together a little pre-made Greek yogurt with strawberry sauce. And I just arranged this all on a little cake plate for presentation. It's a snack that I feel good about serving them. It's fun, it's healthy, and most of all, it's super easy. Then it's time to season your fries. Now this is my own little spin on this trend, and of course I had to add, you guessed it, rainbow sprinkles. How cute did these turn out? They're just so fun and festive and totally appetizing. Kids eat with their eyes first, so the fact that these are bright and colorful and fun shapes make it such a fun snack. These are perfect for barbecues, parties, to eat by the pool, or just a fun snack at home. My kids loved these. They inhaled like half the plate in no time. You've got to give this a try.
Okay, now go share this video with somebody who you know would totally love one of these. And if you're not already, go follow me on social media at LindsayAnn. Tag me in a picture so I can see your recreations. And if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up so I know to make more just like it. Thanks so much for watching till the end, and be sure to leave me a comment down below letting me know what other recipes you want me to ask AI to generate so we can give it a try here on the channel. All right, I'll see you guys right here next time. Okay, so this week I'm doing something a little different. I'm asking AI, ChatGPT, to come up with viral watermelon recipes for me to choose from to make this week. I'm excited to see what we get.